Savory crepe rolls are delicious and versatile dish. Perfect for quick meal or snack. This recipe calls for carom seeds, which gives it a distinct flavor and aroma. Start with sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Whisk 2 eggs. Make a well into the flour and pour the eggs. Keep mixing until you get a thick liquid. Now start adding 2 cups of milk. Keep mixing and adding milk. The reason to not add milk in one go is to avoid lumps in the mixture. We need a smooth and lump-free batter. After finish adding 2 cups of milk, it will look like this. Set aside for at least 1 hour to get perfect crepes. This helps the flour to absorb the liquid and gives you nice smooth crepe texture. In the meantime, prepare the filling. In a pan, heat 1/4 cup of olive oil. Sauté 1 cup of chopped onion until light golden. Add 2 cups of minced meat. You can use any red meat. We are using beef. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Sauté until the meat changes its color. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of salt. Keep stirring for 1 minute. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook until tender. It will take 30 minutes. After that, add 2 green chillies cut into slices. 1 tablespoon of chopped masala. And most important ingredient, 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground carom seeds. Followed by 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Give it a good mix on low heat. In the end, add 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. Switch off the heat and transfer the meat mixture to the bowl. Our batter is ready to make crepes. Heat up the pan over low-medium heat and lightly grease with butter or oil. Take 1/2 cup of batter. Pour the batter into the pan, tilting it to spread evenly into a thin layer. Cook each crepes for 1 to 2 minutes each side, or until it's light golden. Transfer the crepe to the plate and set aside. Repeat with the remaining batter. We have got 8 crepes. Now make slurry by adding water to 1/4 cup of flour. Now, it's time to assemble the crepe rolls. Place a crepe plate on your work surface. Spoon a generous amount of filling mixture onto the center. Roll it up tightly, like you would for burrito. Apply the slurry on the ends, making sure to tuck in the sides as you go. You can conveniently make these rolls a day ahead, refrigerate, and fry these next day before serving. Once you have rolled up all your crepes, now it's the time to give them a golden crispy exterior. Make ready to beaten eggs and breadcrumbs. Dip the rolls in eggs, then into breadcrumbs. Fry the rolls on medium heat until golden. Place the rolls into the oil carefully. Keep flipping and changing sides. Carefully take out the rolls into the plate, lined with kitchen towel. And there you have it, beautiful savory crepe rolls, filled with delicious meat, with the carom seeds aroma and flavor. Make it for iftar or Sunday brunch. Crispy and spicy rolls perfectly go with dipping sauce of your choice. Simple, flavorful, and sure to impress your family and friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like to see more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.